it will. In some of these maneuvers, he's pulling close to 10 Gs. Whatever she weighs, multiply it times 10, and that's the force pushing on the seat in a positive, where you're pulling the nose up. Right about there. When she pulls it right there, that's a lot of G's. I would put most of us unconscious. There he goes in a beautifully orchestrated barrel roll. You folks that were here last night saw a good show. Matt did this entire demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on the AeroShell team. Beautiful diamond formation barrel roll. Look to the vents today as we do our warbird flyby, and as soon as we recover the AeroShell team, we'll get these warbirds out for you. Fred Johnson coming by now, followed by Morris Ray at the other. Skipper Heil in the Harvard, and Tony Stein in the SNJ at Blue. Here comes the AeroShell team. Keep an eye on them as they pull up in. Oh, isn't that pretty the way they're just? What we call a fan brake. Oh, it doesn't get much bigger than that. Warbird pass, 2 P-51 obsession, and the Lady B. Jeff Michaels here in the obsession. We're going to do a pass on review. Here they come. Mike Henley in the lead, followed by number 3. We're going to give them a ride in our Mullinex Ford Mustang. Brian Regan right out in front of us now. Hey, you know what we're going to do, folks, for you? Here's the AeroShell team. AeroShell team. Mark Henley, Brian Regan, Steve Gustafson, and Gene McNeely on that superb demonstration and a victory burnout for us all in the air.